Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jack and this is my happy place. I'm so excited that you guys are here with me today because I have another beauty box for you. Today I have my first ever Walmart beauty box. So what this is, for those of you who don't know, is Walmart does basically like samples of different products that they offer in their stores, and it is $5 just for the shipping. So and you get, actually I don't know how many you get, we'll find out, but you only pay $5 for shipping and then like tax for the shipping too. So I'm not sure like exactly the website, but if you just type in like Google Walmart beauty box and go there, then check it out guys, because it was really simple. You just fill out the questions, you put in your information, it's $5, and then they do them 4 times a year, so it's for every season. So I just got mine in and let me show you what I got. Let's get right into it. So this is what it looks like, and it does say like Walmart beauty on the side. So let's get this opened up. It's definitely not like as well packaged as my Ipsy boxes because everything's like shaking around in here. So the first thing I'm seeing is like these little codes to see like if you to give feedback, and this is the Spring Beauty Sensations. So it also says shop this season's products and find ingredient information at like this website here. So, and then there's like some advertisements in here too for other items. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6 items in here. I don't know if it's the same every season, if it's more or less, I don't know. So I'll just go ahead and show you the first thing I got. So this is the first thing. It's called Calm. It's a magnesium supplement and it's a raspberry lemon flavor. And this is the back. I think that's what this ad was for this stuff. So it's a drink mix and it's to get like extra magnesium. So this is really cool, and it just gives you like a little sample packet. The next thing I got is this BPA-free toothbrush. It's charcoal infused taper brush bristles, and it's by Hello. So that's awesome. Okay, then I got this dry conditioner. That's awesome, by Dove. And this is 1.7 ounces. So these are all like travel size safe, which is awesome too. I've never tried a dry conditioner, only dry shampoo. So if you know what the difference is, let me know down below in the comments because I have no idea. But I'm curious to find out. It says care between washes, so okay. Then also by Hello. Oh wow, this toothbrush, right, by the same brand. I got toothpaste, but look at this toothpaste. It's activated charcoal with fresh mint and coconut oil. Epic whitening fluoride free toothpaste, and this is 1 ounce. So that is very cool. Okay, then I got this This Is Everything is the name of it. Hashtag This Is Everything lip oil by NYX Cosmetics. Wow, these are like real size items. Like this one is, I'm pretty sure anyway. I mean, but how much lip oil do you need? So like this is a really good size. It's 0.27 fluid ounces, but like still, how much lip oil are you using? Okay, and then here's my last thing, guys. So it's Biore Rose Quartz and Charcoal Daily Purifying Cleanser. And this is 1 fluid ounce as well. So guys, all this stuff is like great travel size items. And like I always say, I love to bring brand new things on vacations. It just makes you feel like so relaxed and nice and like you're pampering yourself. So I'm excited to actually try this. It looks really beautiful. I'm a sucker for good packaging, but and it smells really good too. So I wonder if this is like grainy. no, it's not. It's not like, I thought maybe it had like those little like micro beads in it to make it like an exfoliator, but it's not. It's just like a cleanser. But it smells so good. So that was the last thing that I got. So guys, Walmart Beauty Box is a great deal for $5. I mean, and it's only seasonal. So it's $20 for the whole year. That's pretty good, especially like, honestly, I thought that they were a great idea as like a Christmas gift. I might even get it for my my sisters this Christmas, just because, you know, the person who has everything, what do you get them? And this is a fun way for them to test out new things, try new products. I know I love getting stuff like this. It just makes me excited when it comes in the mail too. So, but I was very good. I waited to open it because I wanted to share it with all of you guys. So if you like these kinds of videos, please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe down below. Please turn on that notification bell so that way you know when I'm posting a new video between my hauls, my beauty hauls, my unboxing, and my favorite, my Dollar Tree hauls. The most special place in my heart, the Dollar Tree. So check those videos out. I'm so happy that you guys joined me for this, and I hope you have a great rest of the day, and I will see you soon. Bye.